What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Khalil the Mechanic, back with some more content. I've been getting all the nice cars lately. Today in the garage, I got this brand new 2023 Infiniti QX80, and this thing is huge. Definitely a nice truck. I'm gonna check out the interior real quick. It's nice peanut butter color interior. Yeah, nice truck, nice truck. But today I'm gonna be tinting the windows on it. We're just doing the two front windows and the sun strip on the windshield. Is gonna be getting a 5% sun strip and the front windows to match the back windows. And the back windows are factory 20%, so that's what we'll be doing. And yeah, that's it. So let's get her cleaned up and tint it out. These windows seem just a bit tall on this truck. We may require a 24-inch roll to tint the front windows. We shall find out. These are 18 inches tall, so we can use a 20-inch roll. We do that just to lock it in place. That way it is perfect at the bottom when we go to add the other window. I'm gonna spray some water back there to get it slippery again. Tint really looks so satisfying when it's on the outside. Like, just leave it there. That actually went very well that time. Like, it's perfect. But I don't know about the rest of the people that be up there.
Oh man, listen. I don't gotta drop my shit off. I gotta come to these Corey. She always trying to send my wife somewhere knowing I don't like her in certain places. Like, Corey, you said you hood. My wife ain't got to be going where your little ghetto ass go.
She seems like a presentable young lady.
Oh, she is.
Like my godmom, so she driving a big body.
Yeah.
The hard part is done. Now it's time to shrinky dink. Alright, I guess I could watch me get dressed real quick. Get dressed for the tint job. Scraper. Start by getting a sticker off. Oh, could took that off from my fingers. Spray the window. I like new cars because glasses are always clean already, most of the time. Nice loose seals. Not anything like that. What was it, Q30 that we did the other day? That one wasn't so fun. The moment you've all been waiting for. Always be generous with the water. Sometimes I get tired of being perfect. We can go over the second time with the harder pass. And then before we squeegee the rest of the water out, you always want to wipe it down before the soap and water possibly makes a stain, which it usually doesn't, but sometimes it does. Not that it's a problem because it's very easy to get off, but it's more work you're creating for yourself. And then one more final pass. And seal up the edges. Then you wipe that last little bit of water off. And then we repeat for the other side. So there we have it. 20% on the 2 front doors to match the factory rear tint. A 5% sun strip. And it looks beautiful. So y'all know the deal. If you enjoyed the video or like that truck, which I would expect that you like that truck because that truck is beautiful, definitely like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your thoughts, comment what videos you'd like me to post or try and catch that may draw your attention in the future. And other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good day.